Hi, welcome to another tutorial of OpenOffice. So now, let's see what we can do with our text. Let's say that I want to take my name, Sagi, and I want to turn it into a hyperlink. I want this to lead to the AgroStudies website. So I just double-click on it to select the whole name. I can drag and select it. Then I simply go over to hyperlink right here, click it, and I see the text is what I selected, Sagi. But the target now will be AgroStudies. So when I click apply and close it, now it will lead to the web page. So control and then clicking it will open the web page. Now let's say that we don't want that. So we can go back. What can we do? We simply hold Control and click Z, and it goes back. I can even click it again and again and again, and it goes back and back and back. But let's say that I want to turn forward because I turned back too much, and I do want this, so Control Y. And then you can redo what has been deleted. Now let's say that I want to take this text and I want to put it somewhere else. So I'll click Control C, click somewhere else, and again Control and click V. So C copies the text and V pastes the text. So we can also just cut it out of place by hitting Control X. So Control X simply deletes it. But then, if we hit Control V again, we took what we cut out of the page. So let's see it again. We'll choose this, Control X, click somewhere else, and Control V. Now let's say that we would like to make this hello world here bold. So we can either click here or Control B for bold. We can make it italic, Control I, italic, and underlined with Control U, and adds and removes the underline. Now, we'd probably like to do something about borders. Maybe we'd like to add some borders. So we can go to Page right here and add borders to the page. So we have different types. This is set to no borders right now, but I can set all four corners, just the sides, or whatever I want. So let's set it to no borders for now. Click OK. And save our work. So let's click File, Save As, in order to save the file the first time. And then we simply give it a name. And save it as the type that we want, either ODT or Microsoft Word. So let's click Save. And that's it, now it's saved. Let's say that we made some changes. So we don't have to click Save As and choose the place again. We simply click Save, or we can simply click on this button right here, where if I make a change to the document, You see that now it's visible and we can save. Now you might also want to print it. So before printing, you can select Page Preview and you can see how it will turn out to be. So close Preview, and you can either click here to print file directly to your default printer, or go to File, Print, and you can select the printer and how you would like the properties of the print. Then you select Print, click it, and that's it. And I think this is it for now. So thank you very much. Bye.